Just kidding. So Tasco thinks that he's the only one that can go on vacation. I am on my way. Got a $28 hop from Andrews. One of my little military benefits. They say don't look down. Okay, let's look up. Look up. Where am I going? Seward. What? What is this? I think I'm seeing things. Okay, I'm not gonna look up MK. Okay, let's look down. So we're going to Seward, Alaska. Psycho Dave is in charge of transportation. Waiting for transportation. I'm gonna head out to the magistrate to check out these false police reports and bogus PMs. Seward is beautiful. Yeah. So waiting for my ride.